my project name is the alpha ray scattering, Rutherford scattering experiment. Now it will be started from the Sir Dalton before the 2000 years ago. He say that now the smallest indivisible particle, which is called as a Parmanu, but it's a very limited that is the discovery. After that, the Sir Dalton model. Now atom is the smallest indivisible particle which can't be seen by the naked eyes. This theory is up to the limit here only. After that is J.J. Thomson model. He discovered the electron. This model is called as a watermelon model, plum pudding model. Now positive and negative charge totally be embedded inside one. So these are the limitation of this model. Then afterwards the Ernst Rutherford. My main model is the Rutherford experiment. Now you can see that the alpha radiations here, which will be strike on a that is a gold foil, which is like a very small thickness, 4 into 10 raised to minus 5 centimeter. Why it will be used? Because it's a very malleable. When now it will be fall on a gold foil, unexpected result he got. Some of the alpha particle pass straight away, some are deviated more than 90 degree, some are deviated less than 90 degree, and some are rebound with a 180 degree. And according to that, when you conclude that your atom which is having the empty space, and because of that one the alpha particles pass away straight. Some are deviated at the reback, so that means some heavy part which will be at the center, that is called as the discovery of the nucleus. So it is the scattering experiment which gives the information about the discovery of the proton and the nucleus which are present at the center, and the electrons which are revolve around the orbit. After that, how many electrons will be distributed in a shell, which will be given by the Bohr's model. Now given the formula 2n square, first shell contain that is a 2 electron, second contain 8 electron, by according to the formula n is the number of shells. So in this way the complete atomic models will be formed here. Now we can see that just alpha radiations when fall here. Now we can see that the alpha radiations, and when we fall on a gold foil, he doesn't expect it that such a type of the result he will get it. Now some alpha particle pass straight away, some are deviated more than 90 degrees, some are less, and some are reback is there. So my experiment, it is the Rutherford's that is a scattering experiment and the discovery of the nucleus. Thank you very much.
हमने सर सूर्य ग्रहण और चंद्र ग्रहण के बारे में बताया है डेमोस्ट्रेट करके। मतलब सर जो वेस्ट मटेरियल रहता है, जो वेस्ट पार्ट मतलब खराब चीज़ें जो फेंक देते हैं सब लोग, उसको रिसाइकलिंग करके कैसे हम यूज कर सकते हैं बच्चे लोग को समझाने के लिए। वैसे सर हम लोग घर पे नहीं, मतलब स्टूडेंट को स्कूल में एक नॉर्मल तरीके से बता सकते हैं। वैसे हम लोग ने एक बनाया है, मतलब एक फुटबॉल मतलब या बॉल में चाहे कुछ भी, उसको अर्थ की तरह बता सकते हैं। और एक छोटा सा बॉल लेंगे वाइट, उसको मून, अर्थ और सन के बारे में पूरा कैसा कैसा उसका शेप होता है, साइज होता है, उसको कट करके कैसा बता सकते हैं। उसको हम लोग ने सर डिस्क्राइब करके पूरा बताया, तारा, चंद्रमा, सूर्य, पृथ्वी के बारे में सब कुछ हम लोग ने ऐसा पूरा बनाया है सर। सोलार इक्लिप्स और सर लोनार इक्लिप्स है, मतलब सूर्य ग्रहण और चंद्र ग्रहण के बारे में बताया सर। सोलार इक्लिप्स है और लोनार इक्लिप्स मतलब सूर्य ग्रहण और चंद्र ग्रहण के बारे में। द मून कम्स फ्रॉम अर्थ एंड सन। हाँ सर।
जब सूर्य और धरती के बीच में चंद्रमा आ जाता है तो उसे
चंद्र ग्रहण हो जाता है,
सूर्य ग्रहण कहते हैं। और फिर जब सूर्य की लाइट चंद्र पे नहीं पड़ती अर्थ की वजह से, इसलिए उसको चंद्र ग्रहण कहते हैं।